Hey there, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at AI responses and show you how this feature works inside of your Troof account. Now once you're collecting reviews via your review links, or you've connected a review source and your reviews are syncing through to your Troof account, you can respond using AI to any review in here. Now before we click on AI response and watch how this works, the first thing you will want to do is head over to your response settings here, because you can set the tone, style and personalization of how the AI will respond. So in this case it's preset as default to professional, but you can change this to casual, friendly, formal and enthusiastic. And when you choose a different style and tone here, you will see an example of what this looks like for a positive review and a negative review here. So you can take a look at all of these different options and you can look at what the negative review would look like or be written like, what tone and style for casual and the positive, and so forth. So you can choose which tone and style best suits your business. Now in this case, I'm going to choose friendly. So that's the positive example for friendly, that's the negative example. Now, personalization level is basically where the AI response you get is heavily personalized using the name of the reviewer, or if you want to keep this quite low and generic, by default this will be on medium. I'm going to leave it on medium. I find that works best, but if you want to go hyper personalized, again, you can set that to high, and if you don't want any personalization whatsoever, obviously set that to low. So once you've saved those settings, the AI will respond in the settings and tone that you've saved. Now this is really easy to use. So if we take this review here and we click on AI response, as soon as we click on that button, it is automatically responding. So we can see there, thank you so much for your wonderful review. We're thrilled to hear that Robert and Yasmin made such a positive impact on your visit. So again, we're using personalization from the actual review. We're delighted you had such memorable experience and look forward to welcoming you back for another fantastic visit. So that's how our AI responses work. In one click, you can create an AI response. We can save that reply. That's going to keep the reply saved. We can then copy the response and go and post that on Google Reviews where that has come from. Now, to keep everything in sync inside your account, I can now mark that as answered. Now, to keep things really organized inside your account, and if you want to run an AI response on every single review you've got, once you set them as answered, it means you're not going to go back and respond to the same review twice. We've already answered that one. We've marked it as answered. So what I can do now, if I come across here and click on answered, anything that has been answered will appear in here. Now this includes any reviews you've answered that have synced through. So if you've already answered a review on the review site you've synced through, that will automatically be set to answered. But any reviews that you've not answered, so in this case, we've got, as you can see up here, this particular example, there's over 700 reviews that have not had a response. So I can now click on pending and go through and create a response to every single one of these, which is the power of Troof. So that's how our AI responses work. It's really quick and easy to use, and this works for any review source you connect, and this will also work for reviews that come through your own review links too.